Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial we will be unboxing this amazing BBC Microbit Go toolset. And here we will find the one BBC Microbit battery holder, data cable and two batteries to power our Microbit. And also we will find the guidebook inside. So this is really amazing, and there are also really cool activities we will be doing also in the coming tutorials. And as you know, BBC Microbit is a pocket-sized computer that introduces you how software and hardware work together. So there are going to be a lot of sensors and LEDs, and by using them, we will do really cool activities. So let's firstly open the box, and I'm gonna take a short thing. So firstly, you will see one short guidance in a paper. There's a guidebook, you can look later. And here you will find your BBC Microbit. Here it is, our Microbit. Here in the box you will find also some information that describes what you have in Microbit. Spin, shake and navigate. You have some sensors that can enable these things like compass and accelerometer. And there are also 25 LEDs as you see, the 5 in a row, and then 5 rows we have 5 times 5, 25 LEDs, and 2 functional buttons. As you see, here are the buttons we have, and also 3 connecting rings. You can also interact with different components, and also you can have the connection with Bluetooth. Now let's put our Microbit aside and see what else we have inside the Microbit. And here we have a cable, this cable that we will use to connect with a computer. So here we go, we can connect this cable directly here. And this part will be connected to the computer. I have an extender cable. If you want, you can get also one male cables that you can, if you find this short for connecting to computer. So, and the first, there you will find a demo. It says hello. And now it says press A. By the way, it's guiding you how to use this. Now press B. So now we have to shake it. So while we shake, we see that there is a LED show. It's lighting it up. So now it says chase the data, I think. Alright, so, and we will try to find this place. It's just like a snake game, but not with the buttons. This time we are doing this with a motion sensor. Alright. So we got a great job. Now it's time to interact this with a computer and then do different activities. So now we have connected this with a cable, data cable, to our computer. But let's say you have a program inside and you want to show this somewhere outside where you don't have computer. And in that case, you can use also other devices in your pocket, in your box. So here you go, there is a battery pocket, and then we will place here the batteries. So your Microbit also comes with the batteries. I'm gonna place them directly here. And by the way, when I connect this directly into my BBC microbit, and it will also give a power. So let's say you have programmed something and your BBC has also some memory inside, and it always keeps the data inside. All you need to do is just supply some power. You can do this with data cable or with power, with batteries. And I'm going to plug this also here, and then it will also work as we run this connecting by data cable. Alright everyone, we have finished in this tutorial, and then we learn actually a lot of things about BBC microbit. You should be more familiar with the parts of the microbit. In the next tutorial, we will be looking at different activities and where you're gonna get more information about coding and doing more practices. All the best for you. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.